Good morning, students. Have you completed yesterday's work? Take your own time. Don't bother your parents. They will help you, but with their own time. When they will get time and when they will available for you, they will give you the help. Okay. Now, what I am talking about? The last lesson, sixth lesson, variety in food. That time I have asked your parents to help you. They will help you to prepare the tables. Okay. I will also give you some of the tables for your understanding. Okay. First, let's you try. Okay. Now we will go to the next lesson in syllabus. Lesson number 8, the value of food. EVS 1, lesson number 8, the value of food. Look, children, yesterday only I have taken EVS and today also I am taking EVS. Why it is? Because our portion is so vast and our exams are running fast to us. So we have to do so. We have to go with this speed. Afterwards we have to write in our workbooks also, in our notebooks also, some revisions also will be there. That's why you and I will need so much time for other works. So let us complete the syllabus. Okay. Now lesson number 8, the value of food. Value म्हणजे काय? किंमत. किंमत. कसली किंमत? अन्नाची, खाण्याची, खाद्यपदार्थांची किंमत. किंमत म्हणजे काय? आपल्याला त्याची काय असली पाहिजे? किंमत असली पाहिजे. म्हणजे आपण जे खातो किंवा आपण जे ताटात कधीतरी बघा नको असतं म्हणून तसंच ठेवून उठतो, त्याला म्हणतात की अन्नाची किंमत. तर आपल्याला समजली पाहिजे ती किंमत. आपण सगळं जेवढं आपल्याला वाढलं जातं तेवढं खाल्लं पाहिजे. किंवा आपण सुरुवातीलाच आईला सांगायचं की मला थोडं वाढ, मी जास्त नाही खाणार पण मी खाईन, पण मला थोडं वाढ. फुकट घालवायचं नाही. ओके. नाव लेट अस गो टू द लेसन. Arjun and Varsha are brothers and sisters. They love to eat hot bajra bhakris with butter. Mother makes a number of other dishes for them to eat with bhakris. They like those too. See here. Who are they? Varsha and Arjun. Both siblings, brother and sister. They are eating something. See, there is bhakri in their plate. Okay. See the house where they are staying. See what is there on the wall? Lamp. Olden lamp. That means they are living in village area. See there, one of more thing that will tell you that it is a village house. See what is that? What is that? जातं माहिती आहे? जातं. ते बघा तिथे जातं ठेवलंय. त्यानंतर खिडकी आहे बघा, जुन्या पद्धतीच्या घरांमध्ये खिडकी असते तशी. मग ही दोन मुलं कुठे राहत आहेत? गावातील घरामध्ये. चला आता आपण बघूया. अर्जुन अँड वर्षा, ब्रदर अँड सिस्टर. त्यांना काय आवडतं? भाकरी विथ बटर. बटर म्हणजे काय? मस्का, लोणी. त्याच्याबरोबर त्यांना गरम गरम भाकरी खायला आवडते. मदर मेक्स अ नंबर ऑफ अदर डिशेस ऑल्सो. आई त्यांच्यासाठी इतर पण काही वस्तू बनवते. इतर पण भाजी, लोणचं, सलाड, चटणी असं पण काही बनवते भाकरी बरोबर खायला. ते त्यांना खूप आवडतं. Can you tell what could be those dishes that mother makes to go with bhakris? What are those dishes made from? तुम्ही सांगू शकाल का की आई त्यांना भाकरी बरोबर काय काय बनवत असेल आणि ते कशापासून बनतं? In Varsha and Arjun's home, they used to lot of other foodstuffs too. From where they obtain this all? See what? Where from the food items, food ingredients, you can call them as ingredients. म्हणजे जे आपण जेवण बनवायला वापरतो ते घटक. Where from they comes? Little bit we have learnt in the lesson number 6. See, it is a next part. You can say that it is a next part of that. Now, wheat, rice, jawar, pulses, sugarcane, karvanda, jamun, boar, honey, saltwater fish and salt, freshwater fish, singadas means water cashew nut, and makhanas means lotus seeds, fruits and vegetables, meat and eggs. These are the ingredients from which we can, or that mother can cook food for Varsha and Arjun. Is it clear? These are the things. You know these things. Can we eat wheat as they are, rice as they are? आपण गहू, तांदूळ, ज्वारी, बाजरी, डाळी असेच खातो का? नुसते बाजारातून आणले, खाल्ले असं करतो का? नाही. मग त्याच्यापासून आपण काहीतरी बनवतो ना. फ्रॉम wheat we are making chapatis, from rice and other things like we have learnt in last lesson, that idli, dosa, amboli and all that. Jawar we can make bhakri, pulses we can make dal, varan, and sugarcane means what is the important thing that we can make from sugarcane? Very good, sugar it is. Yes. Now karvanda, jamun, bor and honey, they are coming from our trees, plants. Saltwater fish and salt comes from our sea, oceans. Freshwater fish, singadas, makhanas comes from river waters. Means that sweet water sources. Fruits and vegetables comes from again trees. Meat and eggs. Meat means mutton. आणि eggs म्हणजे अंडी. Okay. Now we'll go further. Pay attention here. Here is one man who has a cock in his lap. What is it? What is it? Cock. Cock means kombda. And backside, can you see some hens? So this is a picture of poultry farm. What is the picture of poultry farm? Means he has a shoppy of poultry maybe, or he is making them, carrying the hens and cocks and selling. Okay. Next, what is this? Sugarcane. What is it? Sugarcane. Oos. Next is what? See here. Upside, see. What can you see upside? A honeycomb. Have you seen honeycomb? Who are making that honeycomb? Honeybees. And from that honeycomb we can get honey, which we are using in our medicines, eating purpose also. Okay. Now these are the fruit trees. We can get fruits from trees. Now this is a person. He is on the what is that? It is a sea. Water, everywhere water. He is in a boat and throwing a net for catching fish. Many of you knows this action because we are living in Malvan. So this is our occupation. Malvan people occupation it is. See now. Here what is given? Let us see. Often when serving Varsha and Arjun a meal, mother says them, take only as much you want. Means take only as much you want. Food should not get wasted. Mother every time saying that, don't take so much. Tell me whatever how much you want, that much I will serve you and that much you eat very properly. Okay. Now we'll go to further page 51. One day Arjun asked her mother that, why do you tell us every day that you must eat whatever you want, don't waste food, food should not be wasted? Mother answered, why should we waste any food, any good thing? Besides, we must give a thought to how we get the food we eat. Let me tell you the story of a bhakri. Listen, what mother said to children, that she is going to tell them a story of bhakri. भाकरी म्हणजे काय? भाकरी. आपण भाकरी खातो ना, तीच भाकरी. भाकरीची गोष्ट काय सांगते आई त्यांना? भाकरीची गोष्ट. Let us see what the mother is telling them. The story of a bhakri. You know Dada, my father. Who is telling this? Mother is telling. Dada means mother's father. Okay, is a farmer, and you know that schools have vacations, summer vacations. When I was small, we often went to my father's fields riding on a tractor, her father's tractor. That would be the time for readying the fields. Readying means to prepare the fields, to prepare the soil of the fields. Father would attach different implements to the tractor to carry out various farming tasks. Now, first he would plow the fields and then crush the lumps of soils. Finally, he would level the field to make it ready for sowing. Sowing म्हणजे काय? दाणे दाणे उगवण्यासाठी पेरणे. पेरणे म्हणजे काय? लावणे. म्हणजे मध्ये मध्ये दाणे घातले जातात की ते नंतर त्याची काय होते? शेती तयार होते. ओके. हा, जर आपल्याला तांदळाची शेती करायची तर तांदळाचेच दाणे घालायला लागतात. गव्हाची शेती करायची तर गव्हाचेच दाणे लागतात. दॅट वे सोईंग. हा, अँड हिअर व्हॉट मदर हॅज सेड दॅट दादा, हर फादर was making all the works to prepare the soil well. To sow means the soil, dada making, her father making the soil ready to sow it the seeds. Okay, this much understood. Now see, this is a picture of tractor. This is a picture of tractor. You know tractor nowadays, have you seen anywhere? In our areas also you can see tractors. Yes, see, a tractor being used for farm works. Farm works. Okay. In previous olden days, what children? These all the works related to agriculture were done by only the people, persons only, and the animals, bullocks, horses used to take for help. Okay. Nowadays tractors are used to make the all works. Okay. The pre-monsoon showers would make the hot soil humid. That was the time father would sow bajra. When pre-monsoon showers means monsoon before, sometimes they're raining. Sometimes they're raining. Small mean not heavy rains there, but it was very very important rain for the people, for the agricultural people, means what? Who? Farmers. That time was very perfect for sowing the bajra or any other grain. This much you have understood? Understood, children? Okay. Shall we go further? Or you will do this much? Okay. We will go. Okay. Let us stop here. Okay. I will give the homework for this. Okay.